Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The Jamaica Bar Association is calling for Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Forte to withdraw comments she made, which it says could undermine public confidence in the judiciary. The Attorney General has since responded. Debbie Ann Wright has the story.
Following a Supreme Court ruling on Wednesday on the detention of 5 men under the state of emergency, Mrs. Malahoo Forte expressed concern about the judgment. The Bar Association says it notes with concern the Attorney General's statements that suggest the judgments of the court are not guided by the law. President of the association, Emile Leiber, says her comments were improper.
As attorneys at law, we are free to disagree with rulings of the court, but not to criticize the system of justice and question whether or not judges generally of the court or specifically are being judicial in the way in which they arrive at those decisions.
Mr. Leiber says promotion and upholding of public confidence in the impartiality of the judiciary and the sanctity of judicial rulings is of central importance to the justice system. He says Mrs. Malahoo Forte must publicly show her support to the judiciary.
In the statement that we have issued today, we have called upon the learned Attorney General to publicly withdraw the utterances that she has made and statements she has issued, and to publicly support our system of justice.
In the meantime, the Attorney General has responded to criticism of her statements, saying she regrets her comments were interpreted as an attack on the judiciary. In a media release this afternoon, Mrs. Malahoo Forte said she was expressing genuine concern about the approach taken by the courts in the hearing of some matters of public importance. She said she understands that statements by the holder of a high office can undermine public confidence in the holders of other high offices. However, she says it was never her intention to attack any judge or undermine public confidence in the judiciary. Mrs. Malahoo Forte says the judiciary can be assured of her unwavering support. Debbie Ann Wright for TVJ News.